What do you do? What's up? It's your girl Gama, the girl your girl will never be, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't see these. Welcome to another video, and welcome to the first video of Vlogmas! Yeah! So I'll be participating in Vlogmas, and I'll be posting for 30 days straight. I've been challenged by Dio from Gen Z Squad. I'll put their channel in the description below, and he challenged me to post for 30 days straight in December, and I'll be doing this. This is probably going to be the first video, if not the second, I'm not sure, but I am here to serve you guys content for the month. I'll keep you guys entertained for the month. Stay tuned, and you know what, enjoy baby girls and baby boys, because I'm here. I'd like to apologize for my lighting. My lighting is a little bit bad. It's dark in the house and this light doesn't work anymore, and it's also very cloudy outside, so my lighting is not lighting. I still don't have a ring light, which I was planning on going to buy today, but not gonna happen. So okay, so let's get into the video. I'm here to give you tips on how to be productive while you're at home. I am currently on a gap year, an unplanned gap year, by the way. So I am currently on a gap year, and I'm constantly at home. And I'm just tired of staying at home. So I do things to keep myself busy, so I'm not lazy, and that my brain kind of works, and keep myself entertained a bit. So I'm just here to share tips on how to keep yourself productive. These tips will work for anyone that is unemployed, anyone that is currently on a gap year, someone who is studying from home. It doesn't matter. But I am here to give you tips. I know it's December and I'm giving you these tips, but you might need them for next year. Like for the matrics that are done right in this year, you might need these tips for next year in case you don't go to school. I'm not saying don't, but it happens. I'm here. It's not like I don't want to go to school, Yeah, let's get into the video. Number 1, have a consistent sleeping schedule. Having a consistent sleeping schedule kind of helps you rejuvenate yourself, have a fresh body, and wake up before 10. I advise to wake up, I would advise you to wake up before 10, because if you wake up before 10, you start the day off afresh, man. Like you feel it, you feel the day. But after 10, that's like basically waking up in the afternoon, because it's hot at that time. Who wants to get up to anything after that time? You're lazy, you just want to sit and relax. So wake up before 10 so you can do your daily chores, do your thing, do what you have to do, and just start off your day and see where the day takes you. Tip number 2, make a detailed to-do list. Something to look forward to, right? So I have a detailed to-do list. I create one every morning. So every morning when I wake up, I write down what I want to get up to for the day, just to keep myself active and keep myself busy. And I also use a method called, what is that called? Method called time blocking. So time blocking is when you set your to-do list according to a certain time. So maybe from 10 to 11 you're bathing. That means 1 hour of you bathing. Maybe from 11 to 12 you're eating. 1 hour of eating. Things like that. So that's how I set my to-do list. I write down what I have to do, and I put times on the side, and that's called time blocking. Tip number 3, schedule breaks. What's the point of working without a break? Because you don't want to overwork yourself as well, right? You need time to sit and just relax. And by taking breaks, I don't mean go through your phone type thing. Just take a break and relax. Just yourself and your thoughts. Take a walk, drink water, make tea. So your break should be very short. Keep it 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Just a short break. Just so you can cool off and just be one with your. Number 5, set the mood. There are people that set the mood using candles, lights. I set the mood by music. I use music to set me in the mood. So I will listen to, my little brother's gonna get in right now. So I'll listen to some young Clear Soul, Georgia Smith, something to put me in the mood where I'm just one with myself. So if piano works for you, go ahead, play piano, my guy. It doesn't matter, but do things to put yourself in the mood. Number 6, get dressed. I'm here, I'm dressed and I'm chilling at home. If I told you that I got dressed up like this to chill and record a video for you guys, would you guys believe it? I don't believe it either. I look too good, honey. I look too good to be chilling at home. But I'm here and I'm dressed up, looking nice, because I want to feel, you know. I'm not saying wear your best outfit or your Sunday outfit or what you would wear on date night. No, just look very nice and very comfortable. Something, you know, something cute, man. Something like now when you're sitting, you can just feel, oh man, I'm that girl. Yeah, or I'm that gent. You know, something. Number 7, watch videos that keep you motivated. There's this guy I watch on YouTube. It's just I don't know his name. I'll put his thumbnail or something here just to show you. I watch that guy. The thing is, I randomly come across him, right? So every morning I just watch his video to keep me motivated. He talks about depression, anxiety. He talks about overthinking. He talks about everything. So I just watch those videos to keep me motivated and to just keep me going. Watch people that keep you going, you know. He keeps me going because I am someone that like suffers from mental health issues. So when I watch his videos, at times I'm just like, I can do this, because most of the time I feel like I can't do this life thing anymore, right? So watching his videos kind of keeps me motivated. So you should watch people that keep you motivated as well, you know. Number 8, keep your workspace organized. You see where I'm at right now is my workspace. I am in the living room and this is my workspace. I am home alone every day, right? Because my little brother goes to school, my parents go to work. So I'm mostly alone and I have the whole house to myself. This whole house, I work in this. I can sit in the kitchen and just do my things, but I choose to sit here and do my stuff. So this is my workspace because I am currently studying for my learners. Just so I might go write my learners this December. I might take you guys with. I don't know. I want to vlog that. But I'm currently studying for my learners and I want to go write my learners. So this is my workspace. This is where I study for my learners. This is where I write my YouTube video ideas. This is where I record my content. This space is my space. This is my space. If it's not clean, then I get so annoyed. You know, like if the dining room is a mess, then why is it a mess? Why is the living room a mess? Explain to me why, you know, because this is my workspace and everyone in the house knows that. Like, you see, I had to start recording. My little brother had to make sure that he goes to his room because I don't want it to be disturbed. So always keep your workspace organized so you don't get distracted and you can also like work properly. Like, you have a clear mind and you think afresh. You're in a clean space, a fresh environment. And number 9, put your phone down. Whether it's you throw your phone in the other room, whether you put it in the fridge, whether you put it on top of the fridge, I do not care. Do not use your phone. Your phone is a distraction. The only time I ever use my phone is when I'm studying for my learners because I need it. The app is on my phone. But otherwise, I don't need my phone. When I write my YouTube ideas, I don't need my phone. I just jot them down on my notes after I've written them down. So put your phone, whether you put it outside, you give it to your dog to swallow, it doesn't matter. Just put your phone down because phones are a distraction. You swipe, you watch one TikTok video, you want to watch 10 TikTok videos. Next minute, you're 5 hours into the TikTok video. So put your phone down, be one with yourself, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and these tips help you, whether you're, like I said, a gap year student, an unemployed person. I really hope this video helps and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Because I don't like saying that, but they just said I should say it. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And see you on the next video.